Hi guys, it's me Terry of the Yarnjoy podcast. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1 of the year 2020. Okay, so I contacted Kayla of Llama Mama Kayla. I will link her channel in the description box below, and I asked her if she wanted to do an Advent swap with me, and she said yes. Okay, so the way that the Vlogmas, this Advent swap is going to be working is that I sent a package to Kayla and she sent a package to me, and in the package we put individually wrapped scrap balls that we're going to be adding daily. We will unwrap one and then add it daily to our project. We're both going to be making granny rectangle blankets with these scrap balls of yarn, and so each day we'll unwrap a package, get the yarn, and then add it to the project. Okay, so I opened the package this morning and found package number 1. Also, I did find a Christmas card in the package, so I'm going to go ahead and show that first. Okay, so here is the Christmas card that she sent me. Isn't that cute? I love the snowman. And it says, "May the joy that is Christmas, its warmth and good cheer, its moments so merry, its memories so dear, remain in your heart through a happy new year. Love, Kayla." That is so sweet. Thank you, Kayla. Okay, so I found that. I found package number 1, and I messaged her and I said, "Kayla, you sent me more than just yarn." And she said yes, that she knew that we hadn't agreed on we had not agreed on sending anything extra to each other, but that she wanted to add some little extras in there here and there. And I told her, well, you made me feel bad because I just sent her yarn for each day. I did include one package for her to open on December 25th for Christmas. But that was it. So, but I will link in the description box below Kayla's YouTube channel, so that way you can follow along on both sides of this swap with us to see what we gave each other. Okay, so let's see. Let's get on to that, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about what I'm going to be doing in these Vlogmas videos. Okay, so package number 1 is right here. Let me see, where's the 1? Yeah. As you can see right here, she put a 1 on it. So this is package number 1. I love these little bags. I guess they're like party treat bags or something. I think they're really cute. Kayla, you'll have to let me know where you got those, because those are super cute. Okay, so I'm opening up the package. And there's another package inside or something wrapped. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's got my name on, it's got my channel on it. Look. It is a coffee mug with a purple owl. Oh my goodness, I love it. And it says Yarnjoy podcast on the mug. Oh, I love it, Kayla. Thank you so much. Wow. I'm so surprised. Oh, I love it. Okay, and then inside the mug is my first ball of yarn. It's this beautiful purple. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to put this as the start of my granny rectangle blanket. Now I do have a tutorial on how to, there's many tutorials showing how to do granny rectangles, but I actually did one at the beginning of this year. I did a crochet along, the scrappy granny blanket crochet along, I think, and in that tutorial there I show you how to do a granny rectangle, and that's the one I'm going to use. And of course I'll just keep building onto it and making it larger and larger. So if you would like to check that tutorial out, I will link it below in the description box, both right-handed and left-handed versions. Okay, I'm a lefty. And so it's a long tutorial because it shows you a couple of granny squares and the granny rectangle. But if you just want to look at the granny rectangle, it's at the 20-minute mark, something like that in the tutorial, and then you can see what the rectangle is that I'm going to be making, or the pattern that I'm using. Oh yeah. Anyway, so there's that. Okay, and so what I've also decided to do for Vlogmas, I'm still so excited about this mug. Okay, so I was thinking it'd be fun because, I mean, everybody likes to watch Christmas movies, or most people do. And so I'm going to, along with as I'm putting together and using my yarn ball for that day, I'm going to be watching a Christmas movie, okay? And so the Christmas movie for today that I'm going to watch, now this is a movie that I don't know if it's available online somewhere like Amazon, because, okay, I have Amazon Prime and I also have Netflix. And so I'll probably going to be going back and forth between the two, finding Christmas movies, possibly others online. Maybe I have YouTube TV, Disney Plus, so I might do that. But I also have a few DVDs that are Christmas movies as well that I personally owned. And so the one I'm going to start with is Miracle on 34th Street. Now this is the old version, the classic, with Natalie Wood. It's my favorite version, and I do have it on DVD. And so I'm going to be watching that while I'm putting together my the start of my scrappy rectangle blanket using Kayla's yarn. Okay, and so if you want to go along with me and watch the Christmas movie that I talk about each day, then I think that'll be great. So I'm going to watch today. I'm going to be watching the Natalie Wood version, Miracle on 34th Street. The reason I picked that first is because at the beginning of that movie it starts at Thanksgiving and then ends at Christmas. So I think that's a great movie to start out with, since it starts at Thanksgiving, okay? And we just had Thanksgiving, so anyway, so that's what I'm going to be doing for that. Let's see, another part of I thought would be fun. Now last year I did Vlogtober, which I didn't do it this year, but I did do Vlogtober last year, and I had some trivia questions that I asked with on each day, and then the next day I would give the answers and then ask some more questions. So I found some Christmas trivia questions. I thought that would be fun to do, just for fun, just to see if you can answer the questions. No prize or anything for it. It's just to do something fun, okay? So I did find some Christmas trivia questions. So I'm going to ask 5 questions per day, and the next day I will give you the answers and then give you 5 more questions, okay? Okay. And then also, like I said, then tomorrow when I unwrap the gift, I'll show you my progress, not the gift, but the yarn, you know, and then I'll show you my progress on it, and what movie I'm going to be watching for that day to put the new yarn onto my blanket, okay? Okay, so let's go on to the trivia questions right quick. Okay, so there's different categories. There's movies and Christmas traditions and songs, I think, and there's other, you know, different categories. So the first one is, who was the star of the Christmas movie Jingle All the Way? Okay, I think we probably all know that one. Okay, okay, and then that's number 1. Okay, so number 2 is, which milk-based beverage is available around the Christmas holidays and comes in both alcoholic and non-alcoholic versions? Okay? Okay, that's number 2. Number 3, okay, number 3 is a little history trivia. When was the first Christmas card sent, and who designed it? Okay, so that's number 3. Number 4 is, every elf has this ornament on the tip of their shoes. Which ornament are we talking about? Okay. Number 5, in the Christmas carol, Jingle Bells, what kind of sleigh is mentioned? Okay, so those are the trivia questions. I will give you the answers to them tomorrow, so see if you can answer all of them. Okay, I think that is it. We had some cold weather last night. It was the first freeze we actually had. I think it got down to 29 or 30 maybe. I know I have a little bird bath outside and had ice on it. So for us, that is out of the ordinary. So I'm wearing my little hoodie. I mean, my little, not hoodie, but sweater, hoodie, sweater, whatever, hoodie, yeah, today because it is pretty chilly. Okay, so I guess that's it. I'm going to get my DVD out and watch Miracle on 34th Street while I am starting my granny rectangle with this beautiful purple ball of yarn. And it's just about coffee time, so I think I'm going to make a coffee and put it in my new coffee mug that Kayla made for me. So thank you so much, Kayla. That is so sweet. I love it. Okay, so everybody have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2. Bye.